Welcome back, everyone, and a huge welcome to all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you. Today we're going to be making some gourmet burgers in view of the long weekend we have ahead. So, come with me. We have some 95% fat-free hamburger and have some chopped parsley. We have some bacon bits, which I cooked up and crumbled. I have some pieces of Irish cheese. And I have a teaspoon of Herb de Provence and a half of a teaspoon of salt. And Bella's having a hell of a good time by herself. So the Herb de Provence I made myself, and I grounded it and put it in here because it's kind of difficult to find it in the regular store. And this is the Kerrygold Dubliner Irish cheese. It is just so delicious. So, in addition to all those items, I'm gonna add, this is aged balsamic vinegar, and I'm just gonna add just a few drops, like 1 to 2 teaspoons. That's all it needs. And of course, you gotta have pepper. Okay, we are good to go. So I'm just gonna mix this all up. And of course I have my gloves on, so and we're gonna put it on the plate here. Okay. I like to make my own burgers because I'm just very kind of particular. Just a little bit. Look at that. How nice is that? And we're only making a few burgers, but we also have to make one for the princess because she's special. So, and that is Princess Isabella. Now you can put any amount of these items in your burger, or you could eliminate some or add some, but these just smell so beautiful, and I know they taste great. So we have 3. One for me, one for Steve, and one for Isabella. So I'm gonna put this away. And I'm gonna take my gloves off. Oh, and I have some fresh baked brioche bread to go with the burgers. So come with me. And we're going to turn the stove up. Put the burgers on. Oh. I was gonna cook these out on the grill, but it's kind of rainy today. This is why we're doing it indoors. So while these are cooking, just wanted to show you, have some fresh corn that's boiling to go with the burgers. And I don't have enough room on my stove to cook, so I cut up some onions, which I will be caramelizing to go on top of the burgers. And we have the olive oil to go with that. So, and look at these beautiful corn. We just purchased these. We'll see you when the burgers are done. So here we're caramelizing the onions. And we're just gonna get them till they're like golden brown. Look at that. So we're gonna let those cook for a few minutes. And here's the burgers. They're almost done. So here we are. We have the corn that's already done, nicely buttered. And we have the platter with some lettuce and tomatoes and some cheese. And we have homemade macaroni salad. And the burgers that are done, that smells heavenly. And we have some caramelized onions, which is going to go on top of the burger. And we have some toasted brioche bread with butter. So there you go. So here it is, everyone. Our gourmet burger with tomatoes and the caramelized onions and cheese and lettuce and corn, buttered corn, and macaroni salad. Come and get it. Look at that.